There's rain in the forecast, at least for the first half of the week. It will be a rather wet and windy start to our working week, but by the end of the week it should be turning that little bit drier. And one thing you will notice is that by night it certainly won't be as cold. In fact, we're going to have some mild nights, particularly for the start of the week. So temperatures generally not falling below double figures. So a marked change there. But with that, we have to pay with it with cloud, wind and rain. Low pressure slap bang across us on Tuesday. We've replaced the high with it, and that means some wet weather indeed. We will find bands of cloud and rain and showers just spiralling around that low pressure, gradually all of it moving northwards through the day. But all of us pretty much seeing some rain. Perhaps the best chance of staying dry and that bit brighter is for Northern Ireland. We may also see some brighter weather for central and southernmost areas, but there will also be some heavy and potentially thundery showers. So all in all, a very unsettled day. Temperatures still getting up to a little bit above average. Now Wednesday, that rain is still across the eastern parts of Scotland. We could see some persistent rain here for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. There could well be some localised flooding and hazardous driving conditions. Elsewhere, you can see it turning drier and also a bit brighter. Things are beginning to settle down as we head into the middle and end of the week. The temperatures though, not as good, 12 to 14, 15 degrees perhaps, so we are seeing a little bit of cooler air coming in. Now on to Thursday, the ridge of high pressure settling it down is still very much with us, but as you can see there is some rain out towards the west, so I think we may well see some cloudier skies, some rain in the far northwest and maybe the odd spot of rain around western coasts and hills, but otherwise a dry and a fine day. Now as we head into Friday, the fine weather stays with us, and if looking at this you think, oh, the weekend looks quite good too. But there is a fly in the ointment, a rather big fly in the ointment, called ex-Hurricane Joaquin. Now this is heading towards us, but it's a bit like a bouncy ball. Here the high pressure is like a barrier, and it looks as though that bouncy ball may well never get in towards us. It may head to the south, it may head to the north. So the weekend's weather forecast at this stage is very uncertain, to say the least. Do keep up to date with us though at the Weather Network. We will be keeping a close eye on that as the week progresses. So for more details, always look at the Weather Network UK.